Welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday by Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure Function Apps. How do we create them? Let's get started. When you get into Azure portal, click on the create and then search for function app. Once you see the function app and then click on create, choose a resource group. In this case, I already have a demo resource group created. So let me choose that and then let us give us a name. Okay, that name is available. Let's choose, there are a couple of options here. You can see there is a code and there is a container image. So the recent function apps, they do support container images where you could choose a container image and then it would choose the existing container images available, or if you have any custom images created, you could utilize them. So let's go with make it simple. Let's create with the code. So let me choose the .NET runtime here. The LTS version, region is East US, and we'll go with the Windows. And it will be a consumption plan, because whenever I'm using it only for the minutes we'll get paid. Get into the storage, I'll leave it default. Networking, leaving it public access for now. In the monitoring section, I'm disabling analytics. It is a disablement. Let's get that and then review and create. And then it has the actual function app and then the storage account related to it. Let's get into the actual function app. And on the left, you can see, you can click on the browse, and this is my URL. You can see your function app is up and running and the version is 4.0. So let's go into the functions. I'll create a simple HTTP trigger so we can just test that simple functionality to see if the function app is working as expected. So here you can see multiple options are available. In this case, we are going with the HTTP trigger. So let's choose that one and then leave it with the HTTP demo. Okay, once you are here, it's in the HTTP trigger demo. You can click on code and test. And you can see this here. Hello, Bala, the HTTP trigger has been executed successfully. This is quickly testing it directly in this. The other way you can test is getting this function URL. Typically, this is what you would do. And then once you have this URL, you can directly go to the browser and then hit that URL. It says executed, and I can pass a query saying name. Here we go. You can see this. Hello, Balaone. This HTTP trigger executed successfully. That's about it. Creating a simple Azure function. It's straightforward, very simple, and you could have multiple functionalities with it. Next week, I'll come up with a different demo or a real use case scenario using function apps. Thank you for watching. See you guys next week.